Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop Steam from opening when launching game. To stop Steam from opening automatically when launching a game, you need to modify the game's properties and adjust the Steam client settings. So here are the steps to do this. Method 1. Modify game properties. Launch the Steam client on your PC. Then just click on the Library tab at the top of the Steam window to view your game list. Find the game you want to modify, right-click on it, and select Properties. And the General tab, on Set Launch Options, enter the following command. You can see this in the description below. Method 2. Adjust Steam client settings. Firstly, launch the Steam client on your PC, then click on Steam in the top left corner, and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Interface tab in the Settings window, then click on the In-Game tab on the left side. Then, toggle off the box that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. This might help with preventing Steam from taking over when launching a game. Take note: compatibility. Not all games will support running without Steam. Some games require the Steam client for DRM and other functionalities. Steam features. Disabling Steam might also disable certain features like achievements, cloud saves, and multiplayer functions. Updates. Running games without Steam might prevent them from receiving updates automatically. By following these methods, you can stop Steam from opening automatically when launching a game, allowing for a more direct gaming experience. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.